নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত, সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা। কলকাতার একটা আমাদের 25 বছরের শোরুম। আমাদের দুটো ব্রাঞ্চ আছে, 12 জামিল লেন, বালিগঞ্জ, কলকাতা 19, আর একটা 2C কনফিল্ড রোড, বালিগঞ্জ, কলকাতা 19। নানান রকম সম্ভার নিয়ে আমি ইউটিউব প্রোগ্রামটা করি, আপনারা দেখতে থাকুন, আশা করি ভালো লাগবে। এবং আজকের এপিসোড নাম্বার 97, কিন্তু তসর আর সিল্কের ওপর হ্যান্ডওয়ার্ক কাঁথা এমব্রয়ডারি। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, পিওর ব্যাঙ্গালোর সিল্কের ওপর, এটা পিওর সিল্ক কাঁথা ইন ক্রিম কালার, ডিপ ক্রিম কালার, বিস্কিট কালার টাইপের কালারটা। তার মধ্যে সিঙ্গেল থ্রেড দিয়ে কিন্তু অল ওভার এমব্রয়ডারি করা, তার সাথে স্লিক একটা ন্যারো বর্ডার গেছে। খুব স্মার্ট, মানে সিম্পলের ওপর খুব এলিগেন্ট শাড়ি, হালকা শাড়ি। এটা আসছে আপনার আঁচলটা, বডিটা লাইট ওয়ার্ক, আঁচলে কিন্তু হেভি ওয়ার্ক করা হয়েছে এবং এটার প্রাইস হচ্ছে 7,500 rupees। Heavy work in the pallu, the body will have sleek border along with all over thread work, hand work. This is the throughout embroidery that will go till the end. This is the pleat part and it will have a running blouse piece with the border. So you can wear a slate color blouse with this also. If you want to go for a contrast blouse, you can wear a slate color blouse. That will also look nice. You can attach the border, because usually katha, since these are all over embroidery, usually katha sarees have little lesser length in the blouse. It doesn't have 1 meter, around 60 to 75 centimeters blouse it has. So it's better to add some extra fabric in your blouse if you want to make bigger sleeves, or if it's sleeveless then it's fine. This is another one in Bangalore silk again. Just see the multicolor zigzag handwork with herringbone stitch in the border. Pallu, multicolor threadwork pallu, black and multicolor with red, orange, green, looks very bright. Product number 2, 7,500. This is the basic range in katha. Since we do not keep art silk katha, only we do in pure cotton or pure silk or pure tussar. So we don't have the art silk tussars or the art silk kathas at all. Only pure fabric is used, because we believe these are handwork and better to wear the best quality, because these never the work stays forever and it's a heritage traditional handwork product, so it's better to do it in pure fabric. And this is the blouse piece again. You can wear a red or a bottle green blouse and attach the border again, because as I always say, katha, the width is slightly a problem in the pallu part, not in the tuck-in part, because after doing so much of thread work, little shrinkage is there. Those who are till 5'5", it's okay. More than 5'5" or 5'6" height, you need to attach a little bit of fabric if required in the tuck-in part. You can just attach a fall, it's not at all a problem. So this is again another monotone in midnight blue and beige color thread work throughout. Rich thread work pallu, big pallu with thread work. Again in Bangalore silk, 7,900. Product number 3, 7,900. Beautiful shade. And with this, not necessarily, if you want a contrast one, not necessarily to wear a tussar color blouse, you can wear a dark red one also. It will look nice. And just use the blue piping and attach the border. This is the blouse piece. Each and every sari I'm draping so that you can understand how much the work is there, because usually I do all over thread work only in katha. See, this is a very smart looking sari, the color combination. Number 3, 7,500 rupees. Now comes a little brighter shade in black and lime color. black and line paisley, broad border in both the side. See the finishing of the embroidery. That's what I want to show you, the close up of the work, how neat and very intricate, fine, each stitches are very, very fine. Here is the pallu part. 8,500 rupees, product number 4, 8500. The fabric is all the same, only the work, the prices are different because of the amount of work that has been used. These are all in the same quality, Bangalore silk. And here is the blouse piece with the border. So this is the very rich combination, black, jet black with lemonish yellow work. Product number, this is product number, I think 5, wine color with slate. See the embroidery. Half sari, it's a woven sari, not attached. Half is wine woven and the rest is slate woven. So half the sari we've done jal thread work in olive and off-white color, and the rest half we've done just the lower part, the pleats. The half sari is jal, the second half is the lower part. See, all you have to do is take the screenshot of the product where the number and the description is mentioned in the scroll. Take the screenshot. There are two numbers, 7603042696, and the other number is the 983 number. I always forget that number. There are two numbers, so any one of the numbers, just send the picture along with the your name and where it needs to be shipped, so that I can tell you the details of the business account bank transfer. If you once you do the bank transfer, we'll courier it to you. 8,800, product number 5. Please mention, if you're messaging for the first time, please mention your name and where it needs to be shipped. And only send the pictures of the products you wish to buy. Suppose they are not there, then give us the next option. This is an orange and black combination, black multicolor, very bright and vibrant traditional katha. Floral motif. It will go, the pallu part will be throughout work. See how gorgeous the sari is. It will be throughout work in the pallu part, and then from the yoke it becomes diagonal. Here. This is the blouse piece in orange. The black part is dyed. And these are hand dyeing, so there will be somewhere more black, somewhere lesser black. So these are part of the the concept of the sari. This is, the previous one was orange, this is in rust. Rust and black, dye katha in silk. All over thread work. I'm sure you can understand how neat the work is because every detail closely I'm showing you. Moreover, all these pictures will be uploaded in Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. The link is already provided, so you can see the still pictures of the product in the album Nokshi and Reverse Katha. This is product number 7, 8,800. In the Facebook page, there are photo albums where there is albums of Matka Banarasi, Tassar Banarasi, Silk Root collection, Katha embroidery, Kachwork embroidery, Bandhej, whatever collection we have, dupattas, saris, and many more. So those are there in the album, so you can have a look, and of course you can contact to the WhatsApp number. Tailoring orders are accepted. You have to give us some time for the tailoring because still the local trains are closed in Kolkata. This is the blouse piece. This is the sari, rust and charcoal black color combination, Bangalore silk. Similar type of work, border color combination changes, beautiful combination, little bluish grey color, navy bluish grey color body with black border. So very difficult to say the exact color. It's actually not slate, it's not blue, it's in between. So these are dyed ones, so exact color is very difficult to say, but that's why I'm telling you bluish grey. So this is the pallu. See the work. Also I'll show you one sari, the back part, you can understand the finish. This is the blouse piece. You can understand from the work that these are done by experienced, skilled karigars. Now a lovely shade of red with black and white thread work. See the amount of work that has been done. Full work, similar type, no separate pallu as such. The whole sari will have these floral katha work in black and white on red Bangalore silk. Throughout, all over work. See how rich and gorgeous. This is a little different embroidery. And of course it will have a solid red color blouse with border. So let me show you the blouse. Till the end the work will go, and this is the blouse border. In case I miss out the prices, kindly check the scroll 8,800, the description. All the prices are mentioned along with the number. We ship worldwide, international shipping we are doing regularly, but the thing is the shipping charges depends on the weight and destination. For one product it will be a little bit expensive, but if you add few more, you can club in with your friends and send it to one destination, then the shipping charges definitely reduces a lot. See this work. It's an exclusively Guriran Katha. Just see the intricacy of the embroidery. Each petal outline, it's so neatly done, and then again this is filled with Nokshi Katha, Nokshi and reverse. It's a combination of both, and even the border and in black. It's a very, very interesting embroidery. Pallu 8,900 rupees, 8900, product number 10. 8900. See, till half of your body, till the pleats, throughout work, and then in your pleats only, bordered pleats. Till your starting of the pleat, it will have full embroidery. And here is the black blouse with border. Wear black with this only, no contrast, because so much of colors and so much work, better to stick on to the basic black color. Now see, this is a lovely Bangalore silk Poddo Katha in pure Bangalore silk magenta dual tone. See the work in the pallu, the pleats, the butta. You can say the mannequin sari. See how gorgeous the pallu is, full work. This is the pallu part in Poddo Katha, beige and off-white color with blouse piece will have the border, and this price is rupees 8,800 rupees, 8800. We have these gold brocade blouse pieces also, so that you can wear it with a lot of saris. See, it's a beautiful piece. Along with Katha saris, we sell Katha dupattas and blouses, ready-made blouses in silk and cotton also. Plus, our Karigar has just done this. It's his credit totally. Jewelry boxes made of Katha. Silk Katha jewelry boxes. See, it's a lovely silk Katha jewelry box, full thread work, and there's the chain here. The zip is there. You can hold it. There's a handle also, and you open it. The price is 1,550 rupees. 1550. There's a little mirror. This is all his credit. He just said that Didi ami lockdown e barite boshechilam to ekটু করেছি. These are the sections, and once you open this box, this is the, see, you can put jewelries or you can put your makeup also. So this is one design, and we have another one also. So I was just thinking ঠিক আছে আমি দেখাবো. This is it. This is another one, same one. Good for gifting also, I think, you know. Very cute handwork, mirrors and all. These are 1550. Okay, now coming to our saris again. Number 11, 8,900, 8900. Desi Tussar, pure Tussar, dyed border pallu. Beautiful combination of leaf green and charcoal black. See the munia, bird and Airavat. Beautiful border, very rich border. Pallu 8900. And it will have a contrast black border, black blouse with border. Beautiful sari. Similar ones, I'll show you few more in Tussar dyed. Last time I'd shown quite a few and very good response I got. Many couldn't get these, so this time যা যা কাজ হয়ে এসছে সেগুলো থেকে দেখাচ্ছে। দেখুন, this is also a very pretty work in temple border, dyed border with temple work in lines, rust and black, reddish rust, burnt red color. Pallu lovely contrast blouse piece. This is the blouse border. Heavy quality tussar with blouse. And again the price is, this is 9,500 rupees, 9500. Virgin color, beautiful color combination and border also. Leaf, very elegant combination. 9,500, extremely elegant color combination. Pearl silver looks will go very well with this. Of course, gold definitely will go, but pearl and silver I think will look better. See the work. Also, if you want to wear a contrast jewelry, see, you can go for your contrast jewelry also, green, red. See, this jewelry is also looking nice. 3350. It is a layered mala. 3 layers of mala. You can increase the length also more, this much. So this is also looking very nice with this contrast. 3350 for the mala and 9500 for the sari along with this running blouse. Black and red. See the work. Dyed tussar with diagonally dyed, black with full work in white. Again, as I said, we have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. The other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. So Sundays we remain closed. The other days 10 to 8 o'clock we are open. And during the lockdown period we are opening only the Cornfield Road branch. 12 to 4. This is the blouse piece. First come first serve basis. You have to just subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications, and anyway usually it's alternate days, 10 to 10:30 in the morning my videos are usually uploaded, and I keep regularly doing videos, so every time there will be something new, something different. See this awesome work. Even there's the Insta page, that link is also going, you can check that out also. Number 15, 8500, tussar 8500 in magenta and tussar color. The body part has been dyed magenta and the border has been left the natural tussar color with blue thread work. Border pallu concept. Big rich pallu. Border pallu looks very nice also. This is the blouse piece. You can wear a royal blue with the border also if you want, or also this will look very nice. If you have, suppose there is 70 centimeter fabric, you can just add royal blue for the back or just for the front. The front part you make royal blue, and then just don't have to buy full 1 meter silk blouse if you don't want to spend, or you don't want too much of contrast. Just use the that portion in the back and just use this piping and designs, that it looks equally nice. Applique in desi tussar. All over katha with applique. Very interesting embroidery, just on impressions, prism kind design. Pallu 9500, 9500 rupees, product number 16. Please visit both the branches. We have more variety of katha. And as I said, katha dupattas, katha stoles, katha cotton katha blouses, which I showed in the cotton 94 episode also. You get many more varieties also, cotton katha blouses. 1250 will be uploaded in the ready-made the album in Facebook page. You can have a look for more options. The silk katha, tussar katha blouses, 2650 dupattas and stoles also. This is a very sober combination, and again Desi Tussar and Madhubani Warli embroidery. Folk work. The color is very soothing. Peach and yellow color combination. Pallu. These are usually very rare combinations. And the blouse will have little bit more work because it's a light color sari. This is the border, back border, and these are the sleeves, both the sleeves. Again, in case I have missed out the price, okay, this is 9,800. Another very appreciated combination. Tussar with white thread work, and the outline is not black, it's dark navy blue color. So those who want to avoid black can go for this. It's also a very pretty, very elegant, classy combination and classy look. 9,800, product number 18, Desi Tussar. See the work. Here is the, you can make a navy blouse in silk or a navy indigo printed blouse. Navy and white indigo prints you get now. Those will look also very nice with this, I think. You know, make a big sleeves in indigo white printed blouse, and with this katha, extremely pretty it will look. $9,800. Village Katha 9500. Village Katha. Half sari, throughout work in panel style. Lot of work, and the rest will have this border. See, very pretty. I'm loving the border part. Wear a red or any color blouse with this border. You can wear a Rama green also. Now this is again in tussar, and color is coffee and master thread work has been used. Geometric design with leaf border. 8800, 8,800. Even this jewelry is going with this. This is the border. Bangalore. This is tussar, silk tussar. This is also very sober. See the jal work and a very bright, pretty border. Here also you can wear a Rani orange blouse. The pallu. See, all over work with borders, very sleek blouse border. And the last one, tussar with only black thread work. Wow, this is so different. See the big sleek temples. You can wear your Rudraksh or your the wooden or any these kind of antique jewelries with this. 9500 or something very elegant also. Dokra or something, 9500. It's a beautiful sari. Desi tussar. You can make a collared black full sleeve blouse with this and attach this border. Use this in the collar, high collar, or in the sleeves, and you can make a Chinese collar and full black full sleeve. Doctors, teachers, very good for this profession. So hope you like the products, and if you like, please leave a comment. And just before I leave, I just want to tell you about my sari. It's in a woven pure silk sari, zari woven border, woven pallu. See, there's the zari weave in between. It's a lovely woven multicolored pallu. 3 colors. The blouse will be in rust silk with the border, and 8,900 rupees. 8,800, right? 8,800 rupees is the sari price. And the jewelry I've already told you, 3,350 rupees. Namaskar, dekhte thakun.